Did you know honey never spoils? Archaeologists found 3,000-year-old honey that's still edible. Random facts. The last one will amaze you. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Botanically speaking, bananas fit the berry criteria, while strawberries don't. Hot water freezes faster than cold water. Known as the Mpemba effect, it's a weird phenomenon scientists are still studying. Sharks existed before trees. Sharks have been around for over 400 million years, while the first trees appeared about 350 million years ago. There's enough DNA in your body to stretch from the sun to Pluto and back, 17 times. When uncoiled, the DNA in all your cells adds up to a mind-boggling distance. Which fact is the most interesting one? Comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. If you shuffled a deck of cards properly, the order of the cards has likely never existed before in history. That's 52 factorial, meaning an astronomical combinations. Random facts you never heard. Here's something crazy. Your brain generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb. So next time someone calls you bright, they might be onto something. Ever wondered why sunsets look red? It's because the atmosphere scatters blue and green light, leaving behind warm, fiery colors. The Great Wall of China isn't one continuous wall. It's a collection of walls and fortifications built over centuries. Did you know it rains diamonds on Jupiter and Saturn? The high pressure turns carbon into sparkling gems. That's some serious bling in the cosmos. And finally, pineapples take 2 years to grow. 2 years for one fruit. Nature sure loves to teach us patience. Which of these facts left you speechless? Let us know in the comments and hit subscribe for more mind-bending knowledge. Ready to blow your mind with some crazy yet totally true random facts? Let's dive in. Did you know the Eiffel Tower grows taller in summer? Yep. The heat makes its metal expand, adding over 6 inches to its height. And get this, there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. Next time you feel small, remember that you're part of something massive. Butterflies, they taste with their feet. Imagine landing on your food to check if it's delicious. Kinda weird, right? The shortest war in history? It lasted just 38 minutes. Britain and Zanzibar settled things real quick in 1896. And while we're talking extremes, Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Even Mercury can't handle that level of heat. Which fact did you love the most? Comment below, share this video, and hit that subscribe button for more random awesomeness. The first ever website to sell a product online was NetMarket, which began selling a CD by Sting in 1994. Insane random facts you never knew. The last one will amaze you. Did you know that the Eiffel Tower can grow more than 6 inches during the summer due to thermal expansion as the metal heats up? Humans can smell the spray of a skunk up to 3.5 miles away. The first ever video uploaded to YouTube was titled Me at the Zoo and featured co-founder Jawed Karim. A blue whale's tongue can weigh 6,000 to 8,000 pounds. Laughing boosts your immune system by increasing your heart rate and oxygen intake, reducing stress. What fact stood out to you? Let me know in the comment section. Only the lucky ones will like and subscribe. The male lyrebird can mimic sounds from its environment to attract mates. Insane random facts you never knew. The last one will amaze you. Did you know some people believe that wearing gold earrings and glasses at the same time can improve vision? Probably it's just another myth. It takes 450 years for average-sized plastic water bottles to fully decompose. Benjamin Franklin is responsible for the creation of bifocal lenses. Miranda, one of Uranus's moons, has such a varied and fractured surface, it looks like it was pieced together from parts. It's the solar system's own Frankenstein moon. A group of bees is called a swarm. What fact stood out to you? Let me know in the comment section. Only the lucky ones will like and subscribe. The world's first 1 petabyte hard drive, capable of storing 1 million gigabytes of data, was announced in 2018. Insane random facts you never knew. The last one will amaze you. Did you know that the mosquito is the deadliest animal in the world due to mosquito-borne diseases? The largest squid ever measured was over 50 feet long and weighed more than 2,000 pounds. Octopuses have 3 hearts, with 2 pumping blood to the gills and 1 to the rest of the body. When they swim, 1 heart stops beating. The first ever computer animation, Hummingbird, was created by Edward E. Zajac in 1962. Did any fact blow your mind? Share your thoughts in the comments. Only the fortunate ones hit like and subscribe. The world's first 4G smartphone was the HTC Evo 4G, released in 2010. Insane random facts you never knew. The last one will amaze you. Did you know that emperor penguins can swim underwater for up to 27 minutes? A single teaspoon of honey represents the life work of 12 bees. A chameleon's tongue is as long as its body. Some hummingbirds are so tiny that they weigh only 2 ounces, which is less than a penny. The first ever search engine, Archie, was created in 1990 and indexed FTP sites to help users find specific files. Butterflies taste with their feet. Did any fact blow your mind? Share your thoughts in the comments. Only the fortunate ones hit like and subscribe. In 1992, the first photo was uploaded to the internet. Insane, random facts you never knew. The last one will amaze you. Did you know that cows lay down when they feel a storm coming? Lobsters pee out of their faces. China has a single time zone across the entire country, despite its wide geographical spread. The Great Wall of China is longer than previously thought. Recent surveys found that it stretches over 13,000 miles, far longer than earlier estimates of about 5,500 miles. Snow leopards don't roar but purr instead. What facts stood out to you? Let me know in the comment section. Only the lucky ones will like and subscribe. Study shows that the total solar energy received by Earth is 10,000 times greater than the total energy utilized by the Earth. Insane random facts you never knew. The last one will amaze you. Did you know that? It is estimated that we throw away over 600 million batteries in the UK each year. The first product scanned was a packet of chewing gum in 1974. Nintendo didn't start as a video games company. Giant anteaters can eat over 30,000 insects a day. Starfish have no brain and no blood, and they aren't even fish. It takes 50 times more energy to make a battery than the finished product produces. What facts stood out to you? Let me know in the comments section. Only the lucky ones will like and subscribe. Hydro, biomass, and other sources of renewable energy are significantly derived or developed from solar energy alone. Insane random facts you never knew. The last one will amaze you. Did you know that every year we throw away enough plastic to circle the world 5 times? Over 6,000 new computer viruses are created and released every month. A grizzly bear's bite is so strong that it can crush a bowling ball. Most UK households throw away at least 40 kilograms of plastic each year, enough to make 10 recycle bins. iPhones were almost in the shape of an apple. A hummingbird's wings can beat up to 200 times per second to hover. Did any fact blow your mind? Share your thoughts in the comments. Only the fortunate ones hit like and subscribe. It takes around 10 liters of water to make just 1 sheet of A4 paper. Insane, random facts you never knew. The last one will amaze you. Did you know the Indians have been credited with originally spinning cotton? The fingerprints of koalas are so similar to humans that they could taint crime scenes. The only continent without native ants is Antarctica. It was so popular that the Romans used to export it from them. Marilyn Monroe owned a dress that was encrusted with 6,000 rhinestones. In the USA, paper recycling increased by almost 90% between 1990 and 2010. Did any fact blow your mind? Share your thoughts in the comments. Only the fortunate ones hit like and subscribe. A flea can jump 40 to 100 times its body length. Insane random facts you never knew. The last one will amaze you. Did you know despite being the smallest planet, Mercury has a partially molten core, much like Earth's? It's like the little planet that could, holding on to its fiery heart. It takes a ton of glass to make around 4,000 bottles or jars. Bikinis are the official dress code for female Olympic beach volleyball players since 1996. A crocodile cannot stick out its tongue. Wearing a thong bikini is illegal in parts of Florida. The average UK household uses 500 glass bottles and jars every year. What fact stood out to you? Let me know in the comments section. Only the lucky ones will like and subscribe. Despite being the closest planet to the Sun, Mercury hosts ice within permanently shadowed craters at its poles. It's like finding a snow cone stand in the desert. Insane, random facts you never knew. The last one will amaze you. Did you know recycling plastic saves twice as much energy as it takes to burn it? Within the last decade, the average breast size has increased from 34B to 36C due to the rising trend of plastic surgery. The okapi has striped hindquarters similar to a zebra. What fact stood out to you? Let me know in the comment section. Only the lucky ones will like and subscribe. Plastics make up more than 80% of debris polluting our oceans. Insane, random facts you never knew. The last one will amaze you. Did you know? In ancient Greece, women did not cut their hair unless they were mourning. Pluto has mountain ranges made of water ice that are as high as the Rockies. It's a cold, distant world with a heart and a backbone. On the other side, poor people wore jewelry made of copper or bronze. The albatross can fly for thousands of miles without landing. Both men and women wore makeup in ancient Egypt. What fact stood out to you? Let me know in the comments section. Only the lucky ones will like and subscribe. In prehistoric times, people wore necklaces or bracelets made of things like shells. Insane, random facts you never knew. The last one will amaze you. Did you know a group of alligators is called a congregation? Ginkgo biloba, which dates to about 250 million years ago, is the oldest living tree species in the world. The kiwi lays the largest egg in relation to its body size of any bird in the world. Geologically speaking, Venus's surface is relatively young, between 300 to 600 million years old, constantly reshaped by volcanic activity. It's the planet that refuses to show its age. Also, in the 19th century, women used lamp black as eyeshadow. Did any fact blow your mind? Share your thoughts in the comments. Only the fortunate ones hit like and subscribe. At the end of the 19th century painting, the lips became common. Insane, random facts you never knew. The last one will amaze you. Did you know the gibbon is known for its loud, elaborate songs used to mark territory and attract mates? There are more than 300,000 plant species identified till date, and the list is constantly expanding. Electrolysis hair removal was invented in 1875. Meteor showers occur when Earth passes through the debris left by comets. It's like cosmic confetti celebrating Earth's journey around the sun. The Hudson is known as the stink bird. In 1915, Morris Levy invented lipstick push-up sticks in tubes. What fact stood out to you? Let me know in the comment section. Only the lucky ones will like and subscribe. New York Fashion Week is attended by 232,000 people per year. Insane, random facts you never knew. The last one will amaze you. Did you know the male anglerfish is much smaller than the female and spends its life attached to her body? Many plants are carnivores like the Venus flytrap and eat tiny little insects and spiders to gain useful nutrients. The okapi's tongue is so long that it can wash its own eyelids and clean its ears. The sea otter uses tools such as rocks to break open shellfish. What fact stood out to you? Let me know in the comments section. Only the lucky ones will. A group of kookaburras is called a riot. Insane random facts you never knew. The last one will amaze you. Did you know they had baby blue souls to give the bride something blue? But the company ceased production after copyright issues. The clouded leopard has the largest canine teeth in proportion to body size of any wild cat. A cucumber is not a vegetable. It is a fruit, as it has seeds. Due to its rotation, Earth bulges slightly at the equator, making it an oblate spheroid rather than a perfect sphere. It's Earth's way of saying it's comfortable in its shape. The Goliath frog is the largest frog in the world. What fact stood out to you? Let me know in the comments section. Only the lucky ones will like and subscribe. The chambered nautilus has remained virtually unchanged for millions of years. Insane random facts you never knew. The last one will amaze you. Did you know the country Brazil is named after a tree? Instead, her shoes were made out of fur, but the story was changed in the 1600s and included the new and now famous glass slippers. The first potatoes were cultivated in Peru about 7,000 years ago. The Greenland shark's meat is toxic if eaten raw, but can be consumed if properly processed. Did any fact blow your mind? Share your thoughts in the comments. Only the fortunate ones hit like and subscribe. Japanese warriors wore their hair up in a small ponytail after shaving the front of their heads. Insane, random facts you never knew. The last one will amaze you. Did you know a group of guinea pigs is called a herd? The long, fluffy wigs, which are commonly seen worn by judges today, derived from the days of King Louis XIII. Rafflesia grows over 3 feet in diameter and is the largest flower in the world. The red panda uses its long, bushy tail for balance and to cover itself in winter, acting as a blanket. The mud skipper fish can walk on land and breathe air. Did any fact blow your mind? Share your thoughts in the comments. Only the fortunate ones hit like and subscribe. The French monarch suffered quite badly with bald patches and wore a massive wig to appear macho and powerful. Insane random facts you never knew. The last one will amaze you. Did you know a group of swans is called a bevy or a regatta? The mountains on Pluto are made of water ice, which is hard as rock due to the extreme cold. It's a reminder that ice can be as formidable as stone, given the right conditions. The velvet worm shoots a sticky slime from its head to trap its prey. Avocados and tomatoes are actually fruits. The velvet worm shoots a sticky slime from its head to trap its prey. Algae and mushrooms are not plants, but have their kingdom. What fact stood out to you? Let me know in the comments section. Only the lucky ones will like and subscribe.